Whitehorse, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a little different. We're going to do an unboxing of all the stuff that I've gotten from the past few months. I got my blade that I got from Biker Bob's Chop Shop. And we're going to be opening some stuff. First, we're going to go with this box. It is from Dennis Performance. I got my shift toe pegs from Burly Brand. Toe shift pegs. Very nice. Little small toothy guy. And it comes with a set of instructions. I swear I ordered black ones. But we got 4 grips. I'm assuming one is 7/8 and one is Harley 1 inch. I guess it's 25-28 millimeter. But I swear I had black and then brown, but oh well. I'll message them about that. But they are the diamond grips. Soft. They look pretty nice on the Sailor Jerry chopper. I've been looking for some new grips, and they will go nicely. The brown will match. This is all the stuff that I ordered with my gift certificate from the Evo Entanglement, I believe, when I won first place Sportster at the Buffalo Chip in 2024. And then I got Burly Brand shocks. Them. Nice. You see those in there? Comes with all the gear for the stiletto shocks. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Ooh. Grab a knife like that. Alright. So, these were also something that I wanted to say. Thank you, Jared Weems. I got honorable mention at Sturgis this year for my chopper, and I got service and swag, a tire certificate, and a cardo, which I will be reviewing and putting an unboxing individually on, up on my channel, and how to use and how I like it. I've never really used one before. I never really listened to music while I'm riding. But I do get lost because I can't look at my phone, so that will be really nice. This is from Sarah Corlett for Virago Swim Designs. I used to model for her back in the day, and I remembered she had this gorgeous swimsuit that she created, and I was like, I want to use that for bikini competitions this year. So, we got the top, all rhinestoned. And the bottoms that even have already the scrunch butt for bikini competitions that I don't even have to add myself. Look at that. This is going to be gorgeous, and it's definitely my color. Purple definitely works well on me. Next, this is from Rebecca. I'm pretty sure I ordered some new bottoms for modeling and for bartending and stuff. Everybody be packaging their shit so good. Ooh. And if you're watching me use this knife, no you're not. Yep. Some new Victoria's Secret bartending underwear. And for modeling, just a bunch of them. Very nice. Thank you very much for getting those to me on time. All right, next we're gonna go with another thing that, ooh! We're gonna go with another thing that I ordered from Cometic. That was from my Sportster win. I got a certificate like I did this past year from Weems, but this was the year for the Sportster one. You don't cut cord yourself. Luckily I didn't get myself. Alright. Look at this gorgeous box. Look at it. It is my complete gasket kit for my Sportster. Brand new gasket kit. Have quite a bit more to go here. I just realized that I don't have my ring light on. Alright, well, just continue. There goes the quality of this video, but alright, that's okay. Next, we're going to be opening up this package from Blazen Spirit, at Shop Blazen Spirit on social media. They are supporter of women riders everywhere and have been an awesome support to me. All right. Oh, look at that. It's an armored jumpsuit. Blazen Spirit. Look at that. Look how nice that material is. That's freaking awesome. Oh, it's like a full body one too. Look at the back plating. It goes all the way through. It goes all, oh, it's the good stuff too. Oh, this is so awesome. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to customize this. They said that it is able to get patches put on it. I'm gonna do some bleaching on the back to do some bleach patterns. I'm gonna try to put my Angel of Anarchy logo back here. And I get to wear this over my outfits while I'm riding, so I don't ride for the slide. So I do ride for the slide, I guess. It's right here, it says made out of Kevlar. We're made with Kevlar. So it is an actual riding material. Please go check them out. Amazing. Thank you so much. I'm so stoked for this. Thank you. Hopefully my address is good. Oh, self-sufficient backyard. I ordered this book. Forgot I ordered it. Glad it came. Look at that. Alright, alright. It is my Saddlemen seat that I got custom made and that I got as an award for the Sportster, first place Sportster at Evo Entanglement. Now, it took me a while to even get started with the process of designing because I wasn't sure of what bike I wanted it on. But then when I went through the process, they made sure that everything was exactly how I wanted it and exactly right for this custom seat. I got my logo on it. So let's see how it is. So Mike Hall from Affliction Tattoo in Wisconsin originally drew my logo. Oh my god. Okay. You guys ready for this? Oh my god, I don't think you're ready for this. Okay, so first off, first looks. Oh my god. Okay, you see that? Oh! Okay, okay, alright. Alright. Alright, okay. Oh my god. Oh, that looks better than I ever expected. Look at that. Okay, so logo. So whoever's in the back sits on my face. Angel of Anarchy on one side, an Angel of Anarchy on the other in red. So the downside is one color and the upside's another. I got Evo, or the Saddlemen, and then the little Anarchy logo. Through the Anarchy logo on this side as well, with Evo Entanglement, because it's the seat that I won for Evo Entanglement. This is the absolute coolest thing I have ever had in my life. Look at that. It's the gripper tuck and roll all the way up through the top. And then the carbon fiber black throughout. And then the other leather patent black just for this part. Red stitching. This is so insanely perfect. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, you guys. This is so freaking cool. Oh my god. And then I had also had this company send me a welder, a mini welder to try out, because I break down on the road and I don't have a welder and I have to ask others for welders, and it's usually just some simple fix that I could use with a welder on the road. I really appreciate that. Sefaspe. I really hope I'm pronouncing that right. I know that they sent me how to pronounce, but the file wouldn't open. So I am going to just say Sefaspe and hope that is correct. But they have been an amazing company, super patient with me to get this video out, because I know it's been a little while since they sent it to me, and I had to go home for a little while. But I am now going to open this and do a whole review on it, and hopefully it will be up to my standards. Right, it's yellow. That is so cool. Okay, all right. First look, very nice packaging. All nice there, in there, pretty tight. Oh my god, and it's even smaller than I thought it was going to be. This is the ends that was like holding the box. Look how small this thing is, you guys. Oh my god. Look at this thing. It's so cute. It's a regular plug to 120 volt adapter. And it is very cute. Has all your dials right there, and it comes with clamps. Comes with both the clamps that plug in. A wire brush, pounder, and sticks. It is a stick welder. That is what I grew up doing. So let's see how this compares to a big machine that I'm used to. The initial packaging and how it comes, I just have to say 10 out of 10. That was such a surprise to like open the box. I thought it was going to be the length of the box, but it was shorter and smaller than I even thought it was. This will definitely fit in the van so well for on-the-road repairs. I am going to test this out right away. I have to know how it works. All right. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, let me know below what you think of my seat and what you think I should put it on. All right. Have a great day.